Hello students, good morning. I am NK Jha from APS. Today we shall discuss topic Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. And before this class, we have already discussed about the very beginning part and understood how this kind of ceremony was held and celebrated in amphitheater, and it was formed by the Union Building in Pretoria. For decades, this had been the seat of white supremacy, means गोरों का राज था, and now it was the site of a rainbow gathering of different colors and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. Non-racial government का मतलब मैंने बताया था कि ऐसी सरकार जो रंग भेद, नस्लवादी टिप्पणियाँ नहीं करते हों और उसके ऊपर ध्यान ना देते हों. It is known as non-racial government. So we have discussed that part the day before. On that lovely autumn day, I was accompanied by my daughter Janani. On the podium, Mr. De Klerk was first sworn in second deputy president. Then Thabo Mbeki was sworn in as first deputy president when it was my turn. अब मेरी बारी थी. That's means Nelson Mandela's turn. I pledge to obey and uphold the Constitution and to devote myself to the well-being of the Republic and its people, to the assembled guests and the watching world. I said. सबको धन्यवाद किया मैंने. Today we shall discuss from here because we have understood those parts the day before. Today all of us do, by our presence here, confer glory and hope to newborn liberty. Liberty means freedom. Today means आज जो भी यहाँ पर उपस्थित हैं, जो भी नए लोग हैं, वो सारा इसी आशा में है, दे होप कि हमें न्यू बॉर्न लिबर्टी मिलेगी, मतलब नई आज़ादी. क्योंकि अब सरकार गवर्नमेंट जो है सो चेंज हो चुकी है. And Nelson Mandela was one of the greatest leader in the world, and he had done a lot of, he had sacrificed for South Africa and for the people of the South Africa also. Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster that lasted too long, must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. मीन्स हम ऐसा सिचुएशन क्रिएट करेंगे कि हर एक आदमी जो है सो इंसान के तरह ज़िंदा रह सके, इंसान के तरह ज़िंदगी को काट सके, किसी तरह का डर नहीं हो, और यह सारा व्यवस्था बहुत दिन तक याद रखा जाएगा. दैट मीन्स एवरीथिंग विल बी चेंज इन द फील्ड ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्ट. We who were outlaws means because of its policy of apartheid, many countries had earlier broken off diplomatic relations with South Africa. This is the meaning of we who were outlaws. Not so long ago, have today been given the rare privilege to be the host of the nations of the world on our own soil. We thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take position with the people of our country of what is, after all, a common victory for justice, for peace, for human dignity. पॉलिटिकल लीडर क्या करते हैं? हम लोग के यहाँ भी पॉलिटिकल लीडर हैं, तो पॉलिटिकल लीडर क्या करते हैं कि इलेक्शन के समय में तरह तरह के प्रॉमिस करते हैं और फिर प्रॉमिस करने के बाद उसको उनसे पूरा नहीं होता है। मोस्टली यही देखा गया है। बट कुछ लीडर ऐसे भी होते हैं जो पूरा करते हैं, like Nelson Mandela. So it is not easy work. It is very, very tough because you will have to maintain your mental ability and your fitness. Mental ability is first because through that you can solve any kind of problem because you will be positive and you want how to lead the people's life, how to lead nations. So very, very important the part of positiveness. So occasion was held on 10th May. The place was Pretoria, and the building name was Amphitheatre. This kind of situation was created by the people because the people of South Africa became so happy after winning the election by Nelson Mandela because Nelson Mandela had spent most of his life in jail. It was discussed also, and he composed autobiography, and autobiography, you know, one who writes about one's life is known as autobiography. So it was totally different, and Nelson Mandela gave a lot of happiness and earned a lot of name and fame in South Africa, and he became a popular leader on the soil of South Africa. A lot of popularity he had earned. So this was the great event in South Africa on 10th May, and there the people of South Africa chose their leader and one who will change the situation of the country and one who will understand the problem of the people. It's very, very necessary because the white supremacy do not want to hear any kinds of trouble. So this was the great happiness for the people of South Africa, and I mean to say you will have to follow the work and follow the sacrifice of Nelson Mandela to get their destination, and just like we have to sacrifice also if we want to become an ideal citizen, and we have to sacrifice our life for the nation. This kind of thought will help you more and more, and after that you will become too strong by mentally and by physically. After that, like Nelson Mandela, we can win the race because we have a lot of problem in front of us, and how to solve and what will be the right way we have to choose. And through choosing, we have to focus on it by dedication and by determination, and I think we will be on top one day. After that, we can win any kind of battle, whether that is related in the field from the field of study and from the field of political. No problem will be raised, and certainly we shall become a great leader. So how we can lead our life, this is very important to all of us, so we have to think about that facts. Okay, in next class I will try to ask you word meaning firstly, so you are not sending your any kind of message, any kind of work. So this is great doubt in my brain. I think you have no any problem and you are reading well and understanding the theme, the story of the topic which is taught by me, which is taught by other teachers. So no any doubt you have, and in next class I will try to discuss the topic from We Who Were Outlaws No Not So Long Ago have today from the next page 19, System Had Been, and have to read it. Okay, thanks.
तब मैंने सर क्या सब हो रहा है?